So I just went out and picked a few blackberries. It's the middle of August, and these are primocane blackberries. In other words, they're on the first year's cane. These canes came up this year. This is a primocane variety. These are Prime Arc Freedoms. Some of these are pretty good sized berries. That is nothing to sneeze at, especially in the middle of summer, as hot as it is. They say they don't make blackberries when it gets over 90, but I'm proving them wrong. But let me show you the mama of all of them. I don't think I have had one that is that big. That is over 2 inches long. That is a big, big blackberry. I believe that's my biggest one. I'm proud of her. So proud of her, I'm gonna eat her. Man, look at that. Again, Prime Arc Freedom berries. These are first year canes. These are the primocane berries that the new varieties, the new primocane varieties will produce. They produce a crop on the first year canes. These canes came up this year. Most blackberries in the past, historically, will send up a cane, and then you have to wait till next spring to pick berries off that cane. Not so with primocane berries. They produce on the first year's canes, and then they produce again the second year on those same canes. So on that same growth cane that comes up, you get two crops. You get a summer crop. They call it a fall crop, but I found it to be more of a summer, ever-bearing, all the way maybe till frost. But a summer crop, summer-fall crop. But you also, the next year, get a good, my experience has been a better, even better, spring crop on the same berries. So if you think that ain't a blackberry, baby, that there is a blackberry. That's the biggest I think I've ever picked. And I've been raising blackberries for a long time. 2 inches or a little better. Just a tad over 2 inches, maybe. I love it. I love it. So get you some blackberries. If you're not following my channel, if you're not following my blackberry exploits, I am raising blackberries in containers. All these blackberries came out of blackberries in containers. And I think everybody should raise blackberries in containers. Unless you're going to have a you-pick operation and have acres of blackberries. If it's just for the home garden, I really like containers. I like the wicking tubs, especially. I don't know about the other containers, but I've also got a playlist on wicking tubs. So watch my playlist on blackberries, on container blackberries. I got two playlists, raising blackberries and raising blackberries in containers. And then I've also got a playlist on wicking tubs and containers and how to build those wicking tubs. So if you want to be looking at something like that, and who wouldn't, plant you some blackberries. You won't be sorry that you did. All right, we're gone.